Hey everyone, welcome back. Trying to log in into Flex and the SMS verification code never shows up on your phone. Here are the two iPhone settings that almost always block it. Both fixed in under 30 seconds. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. If you see a focus or do not disturb icon that's lit up, tap on it to turn it off completely. Focus mode silently blocks text from automated short numbers, which is exactly what Flex uses to send verification code texts. Next, go to your settings app, then search your phone. Once you're inside, scroll down to silence unknown callers and make sure that it is off, since Flex SMS codes come from a short code that your iPhone may be classifying and filtering as unknown seller. Go back to the Flex login and then tap Resend code. Then wait a full 60 seconds before trying again. If the code still does not arrive, tap having trouble, log in with email on Flex login screen instead. This lets you verify using your linked email address rather than your phone, which gets you in immediately without waiting for a text. So all you gotta do is go to the control center, focus mode off, go to settings, phone, silence unknown callers off, resend the code or use email login instead. You're in. Subscribe.